Hello, I'm Jason Wollmuth, the interventional cardiologist at Providence St. Vincent's Hospital in Portland, Oregon. I'm here at the Seattle Science Foundation today, working with our friends from Abiomed on access and management of Impellas. I'm joined by my colleague, Dr. Chris Brown. Glad to be a part of this amazing institution and teach people some of the fundamentals of large bore access and hemodynamic support. Here's what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. Dr. Matt Kaverlin will give a talk entitled Medicine 4.0, Optimizing Health Through Longevity Science at our STED Talk series Wednesday morning. Dr. Mira Kim from the Swedish Neuroscience Institute will be our guest Thursday morning at our second annual John Jane Memorial Visiting Surgeon Lectureship. She will give a talk on acoustic neuroma vestibular schwannoma, a patient-centered approach to care. Friday morning, the University of Michigan will host our virtual Spine Journal Club. Also, mark your calendars for October 18th and 19th when we will host our 6th annual Advances in Motion Preservation of the Spine course, an in-depth evaluation of current and emerging techniques in spine surgery used to preserve spinal mobility. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. Thanks for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.